In this video, we will solve the exponential equation 5 to the power of 2x equals 16. Whenever we solve an exponential equation, first we should see if it's possible to rewrite both sides with the same base. In our equation, having 5 on one side and 16 on the other side, we will not be able to write the same base. Instead, I will show you two methods on how to solve this equation, and both methods will use logarithms. So here we have the first method, and we will start by taking the logarithm on both sides, and this logarithm can use any base. One of the logarithms that is most frequently used is the natural logarithm. So in the first step, we will take the natural logarithm on both sides. Then on the left side, we will have the natural logarithm of 5 to the power of 2x. And on the right side, we will have natural logarithm of 16. In the next step, we will use the power rule of logarithms to move the exponent 2x in front of the logarithm. Then we will have 2x natural logarithm of 5 equals natural logarithm of 16. Now on the left side we have x that is multiplied by 2, and it's also multiplied by natural logarithm of 5. Then to solve for x, we will divide this side by 2 natural logarithm of 5 and this side by 2 natural logarithm of 5. Then on the left side 2 will cancel, and natural logarithm of 5 will also cancel. Then x equals natural logarithm of 16 over 2 natural logarithm of 5. And if we want to use a calculator to approximate x, then x will be approximately 0.86. And depending on the calculator you use, you might need parentheses around 2 and natural logarithm of 5. Now let's continue with method 2. With this method, we will rewrite the exponential equation in logarithmic form. So we will have log base 5 of 16 equals the exponent 2x. Then to solve for x, we just have to divide both sides by 2. Then on the right side 2 will cancel, and x equals log base 5 of 16 over 2. Then if we want to approximate, we can use a calculator, and x will be equal to approximately 0.86. Now, if your calculator has only common and natural logarithms, then we will need the change of base formula to rewrite the log base 5 of 16. So if we use the change of base formula and the natural logarithm, then we will write log base 5 of 16 as natural logarithm of 16 over natural logarithm of 5. So now if we replace this logarithm with this fraction, then we will have the following. X equals natural logarithm of 16 over 2 natural logarithm of 5. And this is approximately 0.86. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and come back for more videos.